Your corner, in your corner. This is WJZ News, all local news at 6.
Danger to the community. Tonight, a judge orders a suspect remain behind bars after Baltimore County Police say he armed himself and drove to the home of a teenager who had survived a serious car crash threatening his family. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch. Welcome to WJZ's All Local News at 6. Well, right now, that suspect is facing decades in prison for assault and gun charges. His lawyer says the defendant's oldest daughter was friends with the victims of a car crash where 2 teenagers were killed, but did not offer more details on a motive. Police say the suspect terrorized a Lutherville Timonium neighborhood over the weekend. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren live at District Court. Mike?
Denise, the prosecutor called the suspect in this case the textbook definition of a threat to public safety. And we know that suspect had more than a dozen weapons inside of his home. His lawyer said his client may have suffered from mental illness, and he suffered from some serious physical ailments, including recently undergoing a quadruple bypass. He tried to get him out on home detention, but the judge was not swayed. Sir, can you say anything on behalf of your client today?
Not at this moment.
No comment from the attorney of Imtiaz Sami. Do you believe he is a threat to the community?
I have no comments at this time. I need to speak with my client before I get anything further.
Do they have anything to say?
No,
do you
sir.
have anything to say?
Thank you very much.
Or from his parents after they fought for the 39-year-old's release following a frightening incident Sunday in Baltimore County. Police say Sami, armed with a gun, went to the Lutherville Timonium neighborhood of 16-year-old Liam O'Donohue, who recently lost his arm in a car crash that killed 2 of his friends. While there, according to charging documents, Sami threatened neighbors and O'Donohue's mother, along with a WJZ employee who lives in the community, and tried to intervene.
He was courageous in the fact that he chose to intervene, to de-escalate the situation, and to make sure that the police were notified right away.
Police say Sami previously threatened O'Donohue's mother on social media. She told police he made the comment that my kids shouldn't have lived. Police say Sami cocked his weapon and pointed it at our colleague.
He articulated that he was afraid that the suspect in this case was going to shoot him.
In front of his children?
In front of his wife and his children.
As our colleague backed up, the defendant sped off.
Right now, we don't believe that the victim was targeted because of his profession or his role in the media.
Sami's attorney told the judge the event is totally out of character for his client and said he may have mental health issues. The judge ordered a mental health assessment. Officers later found at least 15 weapons inside the suspect's home a short distance away and confiscated them. What's your message to this community that's been shaken by something like this?
I think we're all concerned that someone would ride around in a car with a firearm like this. I applaud the victim in this case because he was doing what any of us would normally do in our neighborhood. We were just trying to make things safe.
The suspect's attorney says his client returned home after the incident, laid out his firearms, and waited for police because he knew they would be coming. He also apologized to his mother.
We're grateful that this didn't turn out to be tragic, that this could have been worse.
Now, we do have a statement from our management here at WJZ, and they say we are aware of an unexpected incident and a threat made toward one of our WJZ employees by a person unfamiliar to him, and we are grateful that no one was physically harmed. And the statement says the incident is now the subject of criminal charges, and given the seriousness of the matter and the ongoing legal proceedings, we will not be commenting further at this time. We are live in your corner at District Court in Towson. Mike Helgren, WJZ.
All right, thank you very much, Mike.